Hello, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode where I buy news products, and I want to show you guys this one. So these Marshall's Bluetooth speakers has always been on my list to buy, but I never really could just spend the kind of cash it needs to buy Bluetooth speakers. I own a lot of Bluetooth speakers, and none of them comes with these type of cables. You know, this is like the PlayStation 5 cables right here, right? Anyway, then yeah, of course, there's the instruction booklet. Let's go ahead and take a look at this, see what kind of quality is in here. And by the way, let me know how you feel about used products. I buy it here and there. I would say 20% of my products I buy used when I find good deals and stuff like that. So let me know how you feel. This thing looks fantastic in pictures, and I have to say, in real life, this thing looks like a real speakers. Nowhere on here does it tell me that it's a Bluetooth speaker at all. Yeah, this thing looks fantastic. Look at this. That looks good, right? I love this retro look. This is beautiful, beautiful. The detail on the leather on here, it's just beautiful. Oh, look at these knobs. You know, I was talking to someone and they say they just like knobs on electronics. And look at this. This is the power button right here where you switch on and off. This speaker is really hefty though, so I'm trying my best to hold it up and show you guys. But yeah, these knobs looks fantastic. That is an auxiliary port right there. And you can flip the source from Bluetooth to auxiliary right there. There's a button. So yeah, guys, no touch screen or anything like that. You know, it's all driven by knobs and buttons and switches. I love it. The pause and play button is right here. This tiny little thing right there. I don't know if you guys noticed that or not. That's where the woofer is blowing its thing. And obviously, there's the power plug right there. These things are hefty down here, making sure you can hold it up. There's actually lights underneath those knobs. I did not know that. So if I were to turn up the bass, yes, the light do turn up. Volume. Oh, that, you know, that's one thing is that looking at pictures online, you really don't realize it. So one thing I want to mention is that this thing feels hefty, like it's really heavy compared to any other speakers that I have gotten. I mean, this one right here, this is all glass, by the way, from JBL, and it's heavy, but it's not anywhere near this thing right here. The thing that surprised me is that there are no batteries in this thing. It's just straight, you know, plug into the wall kind of speakers. Yeah, it's Bluetooth, it's wireless, but definitely not portable. Very hefty right here. Okay, so now that I've turned it on and it has surprised me with all of the little things that it does, I think it's time to test it out now. I'm gonna pump the volume up to maybe halfway right now. By the way, I don't know if you guys know or not, but the light on these switches right here actually turns off when you leave it alone for a while. I'm not sure how many seconds, but it turns off. And when you start turning it on, and when you start using the switch, it actually like turns back on. That's pretty cool. Okay, so let's test this out. You ready? Actually, my mic is right here, so I'm gonna turn it towards you guys real quick. Here we go. This is halfway. halfway again. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm gonna turn the bass down. Let's see if it makes a difference. Yeah, definitely makes a difference. I'm gonna pump the bass all the way up. Yeah, definitely feel that. Now let's turn on the treble. I can definitely hear the difference. Okay, now full blast. Okay, I just want to show you guys something real quick. Let me pause that. So here I have a little plastic bag. Check this out. On the back. Actually, let me do this. Okay, so watch this, okay? Look how powerful this bass is. The air is coming through here so hard. Wow, this is incredible. I can't believe how good this thing sounds. I actually bought this blindsided. Didn't even know that it was gonna be this good. Now, what would I do differently about this? I would definitely change up this cord for sure to a USB-C. I mean, I would even say they should even include their own power brick for the USB-C cord so that, you know, they make sure that the right wattage is coming through so that it can power the speakers. Because guys, that's up back here. That's amazing. I've never seen anything like that on a Bluetooth speakers ever. This one is incredible. Definitely not a portable Bluetooth speakers. It's more of a stationary Bluetooth speakers. Everything about this speakers is incredible because I feel like every piece of it is well thought of. You're talking about from the screws that they left exposed back here to how the lighting just dims down when I'm not using it. Little things like that. And what about the user experience on this right here, where I'm not just pulling the lever, right? I'm not just pulling the lever to turn it off and on. I'm holding it to make sure that you don't accidentally just trip the lever. Little things like that, right? I feel like everything is well thought of on here. It's incredible. Totally recommend it. Honestly, I'm gonna have to check out some of their other speakers now. Now that I've listened to this, I'm addicted. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye-bye.